Ceylon tea represents a convergence of craft and environment, an orthodox black tea tradition refined over generations, where precision in manufacture meets the variability of nature. From hand plucking to withering, rolling, oxidation and firing, each stage is calibrated to preserve the character of the leaf. What ultimately defines the cup, however, is terroir, altitude, soil composition, humidity, and the seasonal monsoon cycles that shape the chemistry of the plant, enhancing polyphenols, essential oils, and aromatic compounds. This interplay of factors is why a relatively small island produces such a remarkable spectrum of teas from a single origin, each with a distinct sensory identity. Sri Lanka's tea landscape is structured across 7 principal regions, rising from coastal plains to high mountain plateaus, over 2,200 meters in height. Each elevation band produces a markedly different expression in the cup. At the uppermost reaches, in regions such as Nuwara Eliya, cooler temperatures and persistent mist slow leaf growth, concentrating flavor compounds. The resulting liquor is pale golden orange with a brisk, clean profile. The aroma carries notes of citrus and alpine freshness with a fine astringency that gives structure without heaviness. Among tea buyers, this profile is often likened to the precision of a sparkling wine, best appreciated unadorned, where its clarity and balance are most evident. In districts such as Uvar Province and Dimbulla, exposure to seasonal winds, particularly the dry northeast monsoon, creates a distinct Uvar character. These teas are fragrant, with a medium body and a layered profile that can suggest ripe fruit, menthol, or wintergreen. The cup is lively yet controlled, retaining strength without density. A small addition of milk is possible, though many prefer it plain to capture the aromatic lift. The quality season for Uvar teas, typically July to September, is so defined that auction prices often peak during this window. Mid-elevation teas, particularly from areas around Kandy, produce a fuller-bodied infusion. Warmer temperatures accelerate leaf growth, resulting in a deeper color and more robust structure. These teas carry a rounded richness with subtle spice and malt undertones, offering both depth and versatility. The influence of alternating wet and dry periods, driven by Sri Lanka's dual monsoon system, adds complexity to the cup. This is a tea that performs equally well on its own or with milk, adapting to different palates without losing definition. In the southern plains, including regions like Ruhuna and Sobergamur province, high humidity and fertile soils encourage rapid leaf development. The teas here are bold and assertive, producing a dark, coppery infusion with a thick mouthfeel. Flavor profiles tend toward deep caramel, dried fruit, and occasional spice notes, attributes that hold up well to milk or even the addition of spices such as cardamom or cinnamon. These teas form the backbone of many global blends, valued for their color and strength. Ceylon tea is not a single taste but a calibrated spectrum, an outcome of geography, climate, and human expertise. Within the span of a few hundred kilometers, variations in elevation and weather produce teas that differ as markedly as wines from separate continents. This diversity, anchored in a disciplined orthodox process and shaped by the island's unique environmental conditions, positions Ceylon tea as a global benchmark, not through uniformity but through precision, range, and a clear sense of origin.